Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow, that's amazing. Later in the show, we're all gonna sing a song. That'll be fun. Come on, kids, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome back to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and this is the show where I teach you to draw. You can either watch me draw and just enjoy that, or you can draw along. So you might need some paper and some marker pens or a crayon or a pencil, and we can have fun. It's gonna be awesome.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
The pleasure is all mine.
Are you ready to make some art? Artie was born ready. Okay, everyone, let's do it. It's time to get creative.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Coming up, we're going to have a little break and sing a song. It's going to be so much fun. Oh, I love drawing so much. Oh, this is so much fun. It's time we had a little rest and sang a song. Don't you think so, little artists? Yeah? Okay. Are we ready? Let's do it. Let's have a song break.
Woke up this morning with a tune in my brain. It's like a tickle that I just can't explain. The kind of sound that'll drive you insane. But you'll be humming it again and again. This song will get stuck in your head. It'll follow you wherever From the shower to your cozy bed, this song will get stuck in your head.
I love music and songs, and that one was great. Let's carry on drawing now. I love art so much. Painty! Oh no! Painty's here! Painty's here! Oh! Ugh. 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 Oh, Painty, you made a big mess everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll do it after the drawing. Oh, this is looking really good. Drawing is so much fun. I'm finished. Oh gosh, it came out really good, but it needs color, doesn't it? What color should I use, little artist? What do you think? Oh, good idea. Okay, let's color it in.
It sure needs some color.
I'm finished. Oh, wow, this one is really good. Sometimes they come out good, and sometimes they come out really good. This is really good. I hope your one came out good as well. I'm sure it did. Well, I suppose I should put it on the fridge now.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Thanks for watching Artie's show. We're so happy you came. Please come again. Bye-bye for now. Have an arty day. Bye-bye.